to you our stainless steel plate and polishing and welding for our fermenters. And our stainless steel plate is imported from Japan, and also we have China famous brand plate. You can choose, introduce according to your budget, and you can check the surface treating. We can reach the standard of 2B, and for the polishing we can reach 0.4 micrometer. And for the welding, this is the beautiful fish scale pattern. It is built with our worker more than 5 years. It will never leak beer, and for our tanks is 5 years. It's 5 years warranty. You will never worry about after-sales service. We will 24 hours online for solving all your problem and questions.